Go straight into the phone lines. Assalamu alaikum, your name and where you're calling from?
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Azeem, and I'm from Slough, Berkshire.
Okay, Brother Azeem, your question please for this Sheikh.
Yes, I want to ask Sheikh about the concept of Bidah. If Sheikh can explain, what is the definition of Bidah is, because it is very common. We say that any new thing in the deen is Bidah, but there are many things which were not present at the time of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and even in the companion, like having the carpets in the mosque, use of the loudspeaker, and many things like that. People say that some says it's Mubah. So I get confused. What is the real definition of Bidah, and what is the difference between Bidah and Mubah?
This is really
good question.
Very good question.
Yeah, Sheikh, if you could just answer that, I think straight away.
Well, the issues of Bidah, the Prophet ﷺ, he said, "Man ahdatha fi amrina ma laysa minhu, fahuwa rad." Meaning, if you create something in Islam which is not within the Islam, not within the Islam. Some people, they put something like anything is new is Bidah. This is wrong. Anything they don't know, they call it Bidah. So this is more dangerous. Because you saying for something part of Islam, it is Bidah because just you don't know it. And this is really serious. We start to hear it among the youngsters and among the Ummah. And he is judging Islam according to his knowledge, not according to the rules of Islam. Now, I will give a few examples about the issues of Bidah and how the Prophet ﷺ, he looked at it. Like one day the Prophet ﷺ, he was praying Asr, and one of the Sahaba, when they raised from ruku', he said, Ya Rabbana laka alhamdu kama yanbaghi li jalali wajhika wa azimi sultanik. And this dua never been said by the Prophet ﷺ before. So the Prophet ﷺ, when he finished his salah, he said, who said that dua? And the Sahabi, he kept silent. He's afraid that he did something wrong. And then the Prophet ﷺ, he repeated the second, then the third, and he kept silent. And he said, Wallahi, the Prophet ﷺ, he said, Wallahi, more than 70 angels, they rushed to it to write it down. Meaning, the Prophet ﷺ, he agreed for the Sahabi to make his own dua. Because some people, they said, no, you have to stuck to what's in. Yes, but it is also permissible to make my own dua, because the dua is when you express what's in your heart to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And this is the issue. Secondly, when the Prophet ﷺ, he passed away, the issues of Salat al-Tarawih, it was individual. It wasn't in Jama'ah. And at the time of Abu Bakr, it wasn't in the Jama'ah. But at the time of Umar, he said, no, Ubay, lead the Salah and do 20 rak'ah. And since that time, we take it as a sunnah. So we don't say Umar, he created bid'ah. No, he worked within what's allowed in Islam. But where is the bid'ah is, when I create something, then I said this is part of Islam. For example, I say we have to do a Q&A show every day because this is the sunnah. No, we say this is bid'ah. But I said we do Q&A every day for the benefit of the ummah. This is good. You see the difference?
Yes, I see that.
So this is the issues of the. What's the mubah is? Mubah is it is the grey area in between haram and halal. Where is mubah, for example? To eat fruit. Mubah. To eat vegetables. Mubah. To wear a black thobe. Mubah. To wear a white thobe. Mubah. You see, this is the grey area we called it. There's nothing. And the scholar, they put the rules. Al-aslu fil ashya' al-ibaha. The rules and everything is mubah unless it is haram. For example, all the type of meat is mubah. But when it comes to the pork or the dead animals or unslaughtered animals, then it is haram. You see how we move from it? The issues from mubah to bid'ah. One of the scholars, he used to say the microphone, the loudspeakers, is Bidah. And one day that Sheikh, he is wearing his glasses and reading the Quran. So one of his students, he came in and he removed the glasses.
Yeah.
And he said, why you did this? He said, because this is Bidah. He said, but I needed to read. You see,
Yes.
I needed to read. He said, also we need that to hear.
Yes.
So this is the barrier or to distinguish between the Mubah and the Bidah. Bidah, when you create something in the deen,
Yes.
you add another salah. You said there is a sixth salah, or you add another rak'ah in Maghrib,
Yes.
or you take off one rak'ah or two rak'ahs in other salah. So this is when you play with the deen which is being set by the Prophet ﷺ. You add,
Yes.
like Musaylim al-Kadhab, he dropped Salatul Isha and Salatul Fajr.
Right.
He said it's too much, too late and too early.
Yes.
He said we make it, lenient for the people.
Jazakallah khair, Sheikh. Brother Azeem, I hope that's answered your question and give me some sort of understanding. Jazakallah khair.